What, hiccups? Want to tell Auntie about them? Huh? What? You gonna eat the Whoopie? Is that what's happening? Yeah? Hiccups. I know, I'm mad. Mad at those hiccups. You go away. Oh, no. Go away, hiccups.